Providing the best possible patient care has always been at the forefront of the NHS. The need to enhance the healing environment and prevent the spread of infection has never been greater. Daily deep cleaning technology is now here. We understand that as well as standard daily cleaning, each trust have their own deep cleaning procedures, such as hydrogen peroxide vapor fogging or ultraviolet disinfecting. But in their current state, these methods put significant pressure on time and resources, often resulting in treatment areas or even entire wards being shut down for several hours. This is why we're introducing the Pathisol PCT Annihilyzer, a revolutionary hypochlorous acid disinfection system that enables deep cleaning in hospitals to happen every day, helping to prevent the spread of infection. So, how does it work? It all started before the First World War, where salt and water were first combined under electrolysis, generating hypochlorous fluid to help treat injured soldiers to prevent infection. An on-site kiosk and filling station pass weak salt brine through an electrolytic cell, changing the chemical properties of the salt and water to produce sodium hydroxide, a proven cleaning and degreasing agent, and hypochlorous fluid, a decontaminant proven to kill 99.9999% of known hospital-associated infection pathogens. Both solutions are made from organic ingredients and are much safer and more eco-friendly than traditional products like bleach and ammonia. In fact, hypochlorous fluid is something our own bodies produce as a first line of defense when we have an infection. The hypochlorous fluid lasts for 30 days and every bottle is electronically dated. Domestic staff simply scan their solution to ensure it's in date and never used if weakened in strength. All this using a simple and age-old mixture, salt and water. Firstly, the sodium hydroxide is applied using traditional microfiber mops and cloths to de-soil surfaces. Secondly, and what makes the system so unique, is the use of one of the electrostatic application systems, which charge every droplet of hypochlorous fluid, actually pulling it towards surfaces at 75 times the force of gravity, meaning it can even move upwards and wrap around the hardest to reach hidden spaces, killing bacterial spores and getting rid of any potential contamination. Domestic staff can either use the gun applicator or the spray cart for larger areas. What's more, because the solution is pH neutral, it can be used in live environments if required, removing the need for room or ward vacating enclosures. Daily deep cleaning helps to reduce the likelihood of patients contracting and suffering from infection. In a short period of time, all trusts can invest in this important technology, ensuring that the most effective preventative measures are in place in treatment settings across the country. Patient safety and care is at the heart of every decision we make. Embracing the latest technology, we continue to improve our systems and processes every single day to enhance the healing environment for our patients and staff.